Alright, this morning we are going to be installing a Windows 8.1 on a laptop that just got a brand new hard drive put into it. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you see, we've already got it booted up to the beginning here. We've stuck our USB drive with all versions of Windows 8 in it. So we are going to go ahead and click Next because we want English. And we want to install, not repair, so we're going to click Install. And you get the message that it's setting up. So setup is starting. That's the first message we get. And this usually takes a minute or two, and it comes up, and according to the bottom of this laptop, it has Windows 8.1, and we are going to try and pull the code from the BIOS of this one. So if you have a code, we will show you where to put that in when it comes time. If not, we're also going to show you how to install Windows and try and pull the code from the BIOS. We click Next. After we get to 8.1, since we're not doing Pro, we have to accept Microsoft's terms, otherwise we don't get Windows. Click Next. We want to do a custom install. And that shows our hard drive. It's a 500 gigabyte hard drive that is in there. And once you pick that drive, you don't really need to set up any of the parameters unless you want to. Just go ahead and click Next, and it will do it for you. And then you come to this one here, where it's actually copying all the files and starting to install Windows for you. We aren't going to sit here through the whole installation. It shouldn't take as long as some others since we're using a USB 3.0, but it still will take a while and no reason to have you sit through it. So we will pause our video and pick this one back up after it's installed. Okay, and we're back, and here is where it's asking you for the product key. If you bought Windows 8 and you're planning on putting Windows 8 on and need to enter your product key, this is where you're going to enter your product key. We are going to go ahead and use the option down here, which I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare, but right here it says skip. So we are going to skip, and it's going to start the installation and that. So we are going to go ahead and start putting a name in. And we'll name the laptop there and click Next. And now we need to go ahead and connect it online. So we will pick our network here, and it asks us for the password. And we don't want to customize the settings. We're just going to use the express settings. And next it's going to ask us to set up a Microsoft account. And in this case, we are not going to set up a Microsoft account. So I think we can click just Next to get by this. No. Let's see. You click create a new account, and then it'll, once you do that, it gives you the option to sign in without a Microsoft account. So that's what we're going to pick. If you had a Microsoft account back there on that one screen, you would have entered your email and your password to get into your Microsoft account. So now we go ahead and put in the information. And we are not going to put a password in on this machine right now. So I'm going to hit finish, and then you come up with the normal setting that boots in. It says hi, and it says that they're getting things set up for you. As it will run through these different screens. One thing we did not mention at the beginning of the video, make sure your computer is plugged in, fully charged. That way, you don't lose power during this process, and because that can damage the installation and force you to have to wipe your hard drive and start all over again. So, and continues to give you these little messages here, and we're going to wait and see how quick it comes up. You may go ahead and pause the video if it takes very much longer, but I think we should be just about there. And that is it. Now it's installing apps from the App Store that it thinks we need. So we are going to go ahead and pause this video just so you don't have to sit through this, because it shouldn't take a whole lot longer. But alright, and we are back, and as you see, Windows 8 has installed. We are on the desktop, and if you hit your Windows key, you will actually get the normal setup that you're used to seeing for Windows 8 with your Metro look and the live tiles here. Now all you need to do is install your antivirus and all of your favorite apps. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and if you have any questions, post them below and we will get back to you. Thank you.